This is Dwayne out at Thorek Hospital. We're in the process of installing storefront system. As you see right now, we have the window prepped, opening prepped. We have the inside tape with the AVB, and we have a dry fitting going on in process right now. On site, you can see our glass installer. It has a book, three-ring binder of all his drawings and product data, his details used for his installation for the windows here. We like to see this on site as his project books. Consider this best practice. On the flashing here, you can see a full bed of ceiling has been installed on the back side. Caulking the back side of the sill receiver. You can see there's a continuous bead of caulk. We're filling in all the old holes that were used for the fasteners, and the new fasteners will get sealed in there with sealant as we fasten it in place. So it's going to lift it in place. All the fasteners have been sealed. Now they're getting tooled in place. Ready for the next step. As you can see here, we got the frame, we got a nice conformal square. Put in fasteners in the head. We look here in the frame, we have our setting plates. And again, we have our gasket here, getting ready for the glass to be installed here. You can see we have our gap here on the exterior. This will get caulked in here, with sealing and backer on, prior to the glass being installed. The exterior beam will be prior to the glass installed, and then the interior will be caulked and finished. And the glass going in place, 3 guys setting in place using suction cups. And there you have it.
Nice.
Here we are in a room where the glass has been set and the perimeter interior sealants have been installed. Same with the exterior. You can see we have a continuous caulk joint along the perimeter all the way around this window, providing a weather-tight installation. Next step after this is going to be the spray foam installation, and then this is good to get closed up.